No.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. We are going to try this again because we failed the first time because I forgot that this isn't a 98. It's a 93. So, hopefully, it's the right thing now. We have... This looks like the one that I got before, so this may be the right thing. Let's see. I don't remember which. Okay, so I think... I mean, I guess we just have to look and see and try and hope and pray and stuff. So, let's see. Now we see here, we got the kidneys on here, and we got to take this off, so give me a second. Alright, so now we got to remember how exactly you pop these things out and put on gloves because we're not trying to cut our hands. But yeah, you can see from right here that it's a lot bigger than the old one. So, not the old one, well, yes, this one because it sticks around this thing, but the old one like the one that we tried and failed with. Oh yeah, yes, this is how an E36 front is supposed to look, with the poking out kidney grills. Not these nasty looking recessed ones, but these. The only problem is taking them out is super annoying, so they may break. So I'm gonna buy another one because again, I'm gonna buy another one because again, this car is going to be getting painted black, so it's gonna have to come off, and when it comes off, it's more than likely gonna break, or one of them is more than likely gonna break. So I'd rather not have it kidney grillless. So yeah, now that I know it fits, I'm gonna buy another one just for also that. But you know, I always get E36s, I always buy the same things, and now I'm kind of mad that I sold a whole bunch of things I had before because they're harder to get now. So it's best I what do you call it, it's best that I prepare. So that's what we're gonna do. But man, like, it just looks so, like, E36s without the sticky outy fronty grill just don't hit. But yeah, I really can't wait to get this thing sorted out. But we do have a problem that I found out today. So in the last video I mentioned that I ordered a pair of T37s for the front. Plans have to change because I ordered the discontinued set, and even still in most sets, unless you order from Japan, or unless the distributor importer doesn't care and doesn't have another set to match coming in, they only like to sell in 4s. So if you're not buying in 4s, it's harder to get a pair unless you order them, and ordering them, you can wait 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, who knows. And that is something I'm never doing, because I know too many people who've ordered sets of wheels, waited 18 months and only got 3, one got lost, and then it's a whole fiasco after that. So we are most likely going to either get a set of Forged Stars, or we're just going to wait until we find a set locally, or a pair locally, or try to find somebody who wants a set of fronts and purchase it with them. But either way, we're going to make something work. I did really want the T37s for the look in the front, and then to run a different wheel like the Forged Stars on the back. But we may just get a set of Forged Stars, because it's like going to be $2,000 for a custom set all around, as opposed to almost $2,000 just for the 2 TEs. Well, it's like $1,500 for the 2 TEs shipped on sale, but it's just like, at this point, who knows? So we might as well just get those wheels on order, or just wait a little bit. But yeah, the only problem is ordering Forged Stars, you got to wait up to 5 weeks, maybe quicker, maybe longer, but it's usually 3 to 5 weeks. I don't want to wait. I may get a set of temporary wheels or something just to make something work, because I really despise these wheels, because, you know, I'm a little bit of a wheel snob now, and I just also don't like them. So yeah, even though I did have this exact set of wheels on another E36 in the past, that's the young and the old me, so That's funny, the young and the old me. But yeah, that's just not me now, so we're gonna get rid of these and figure something out. So yeah, let me put the other grill on and then chit chat for a few more minutes till we get to 8 minutes, and then upload the video. So give me a second. So yeah, install is done, super easy, only takes a few minutes. But yeah, comment what wheels you guys think I should get. Note, they have to be very aggressive, 10.5 in the front, 12 in the rear, or 12.5. Because, for example, these are 10.5s with 285s, and look how much space we have. Like, that's unacceptable. And then we're going to be running same front tire size, but just a wider wheel. These are 9.5s. Like, they don't stick out or anything, but the over fenders that we're getting is going to be a little bit wider than these, I believe. If not, they will be, because we'll just bow them out. But yeah, so 10.5 in the front, 12.5 in the rear. Most likely Ford Stars. If not, I'll find something 3-piece. It's just super annoying and unfortunate that the T's didn't work, because I had a look in mind. So we're just gonna have to wait for that. We will be getting some more money coming in, because I am picking up more details. Like, for example, I got the detail tomorrow, pays way more. I took a detail Monday, which paid way more. So that's just what we're gonna be on. Pick up details, buy and sell stuff, same things, but just amplified, because we're getting a lot more money coming in from the job that's stable. Gonna be building up the channel, getting more ad rev. Hopefully Instagram starts paying for reels again, because that was a good amount of money coming in. My phone bill was paid, so that was extra money, extra things to buy and sell and whatnot. So yeah, so just to recap, wheels, I'm ordering headers. If not today, then tomorrow we're gonna get the turbo setup taken off, the new one, the headers put on. We're gonna compression test this engine to see if it is bad. If this engine's bad, we're gonna get a 5.3 or 6.0, most likely an aluminum 5.3, unless I find a 5.7 from a vet for a good price. We will do that. But yeah, so what we're gonna be doing, if we do no matter what we do, we're gonna be building a high revving engine. So whether that be keeping the 4.8, using the crank and putting it in the new block, so it's a D-stroked engine with some head and cam work, so it can rev over 7,000, or just doing the 5.3 or the 6.0. And with the 6.0, same thing. You can just do a head and a head work, like cam springs, and you can rev 7,000, 7,500. But I just want, kind of like a buy once, cry once type of thing. Will probably be around like 400 to the wheels or so. Same for torque. But yeah, it's pretty much, it's making power on these engines is super easy, and that's exactly why I wanted one. And they sound good, and then the fact that it's going to be high revving is going to be awesome. So my main thing is buying or building an E36 that's mixed with an E39 M5 that's also mixed with the E92 M3. So the E39 M5 meaning the bigger displacement V8, but the E92 M3 with the super high RPM, because I do ultimately want like a really built engine that could rev up to 8,500 or even 9,000. And then we're going to be doing like DCT, so it's just going to be a really super fun to drive, high revving back roads, like stay up in the rev range kind of car. And that's just what that is, because granted, I do want another E92 M3, and since I do want another one, we may be getting one, and that may be the DCT, and I may 8 HP this, but never know. Maybe you'll find a 135i M Sport or whatever shell or running car for super cheap with the DCT in it. There was one for sale, but the guy sold it before I even messaged him, which is super annoying. But yeah, it's really not too much I can say. I think I rambled on enough for this video to be more than 8 minutes long. And if that's the case, we are all set. I'll get back to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be updating you guys as things go on. Peace. Intro quarter, motherfuckers.